How to upload files to ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to upload files to ChatGPT. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open up your ChatGPT app or your browser, then go to the plus section in the left hand side and then scroll down a bit and you can see add files option. Just tap on it and then your files app will open up. So you just need to tap on the file that you want to upload, hit open in the top right, and now it will be attached and you can ask any question regarding the file to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze it, summarize it. You can ask to paraphrase and it will give you answers within minutes. It is a really easy solution. So you can do it with large files as well. So there you go. ChatGPT has made our life a lot easier. Just ask them to summarize and do anything that you want and then hit send. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.